YouTube. Bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. It's been a long time coming, bro. It's been so long, bro. Like, oh my God. Bro, just let me get open, bro. Like, the big one came, bro. Like, let me get open. I've been fucking unwrapping so many packages. I feel like I'm in a drug cartel or some shit.
Shit.
Like, I ordered this shit before Christmas, I think. Like, right, I ordered this shit like right before Christmas, I think. It finally came. We've been waiting on this bitch for weeks. Almost a month. I think I ordered this bitch like December 6th, to be honest. This shit finna be so hard. Hold on. Fucking dog running wild and shit.
Pull your pants up on your behind.
Bro. Chill. Too much. The difference is fucking crazy, bro. The come up is crazy. All this crazy stuff, crazy ass stuff. I mean, I could put it on for now, but this we gotta get a line. I might take it to a shop and get it aligned. Chat. that shit completes the look. Not even gonna hold you. Oh God. I gotta get that hood aligned, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, it's nice, but you know, I gotta get that bitch aligned. I mean, I could do it myself. I might just, you know, do it. I might just align it up, you know, do it myself when I get the time to. I ain't really got the time to align it at the moment. My transcode and shit. Oh, don't worry about these lights. I got the I got the module for these lights. So what it is with these lights, like the brake lights and the airbag and ABS and traction. Yeah, that's another thing why I can't go on sport. I mean, that pulls up, but like the performance page and shit pulls up, but it's like I can't use it because of the ABS module. So like I have the ABS module. The guy I talked to, he was basically like, it's either the module was changed before and they didn't do it correctly, or it's just a bad module because it keep coming back as a mismatched VIN and he can't program it to my VIN. So we think it's just a bad module. So we hope it's just a bad module. I ordered one. I couldn't find a brand new one, but I got like an OEM, a used OEM one. So we'll see how that shit goes. So I'm on the way to my I'm on the way to my car wash. This car having shit. Rude ass radio. But I'm on the way to my car wash. This car ain't been washed in, I wanna say right about 2 weeks, because like it was raining like a whole fucking week and then it got cold and shit while raining. Like, y'all know Louisiana weather is crazy. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know, man. Every time I go to wash this car, it rains the next fucking day. Or like it rains the day of, or it rains that night. And it's like, fuck, bro. Then it rains some more. I ain't got time for the rain. But it says it's not supposed to rain until Saturday. I drive slow in Baton Rouge regardless, because it's like new potholes pop up every day. Like you just be driving and then you'll smack one of them. It's like, man, when that got there, who put that there, man? Who did it? This is the only car wash I go to. Damn, I hope I can fit. I got like 8 inches. Never mind, I don't think they was talking about that. Bro, chill. Should I leave the windows down so I can clean the inside too? Or it doesn't work like that? Big back. All right, I get a 15 hot lemon pepper combo. They say they drive through, they inside close at 12 for the time being. They making renovations. Can I come through the drive-through? I can't make it up that hill, bro. They gonna pay for my car? Like the damages and repairs? Like, damn.
Just like you, this is crazy. So call me baby, I'll be up the
Alright, let's see if I can get into this drive-through, bro. The odds of it is very slim. I never go to drive-throughs. Don't hit me, please.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, God. That's why I don't go through drive-throughs, bro. It's like, is my car even okay? I almost just total lost my shit. Wow. Whole exhaust system is scraped. I probably got a couple screws on the ground. That shit hard. That shit hard. That shit hard. Dark cars. With the blue Brembos, that's crazy. Quick pull. Whoa, chill, 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 chill.
Why would you do that?
Huh?
Huh?
That bitch clean. Oh wait, he gonna gap my ass. Bro, get out the road. Cuz tweaking. Fuck is he smoking? Man, go see that's why I'm saying these robots don't need to be you know, doing that shit, bro. Ain't nobody driving their van, bro. They about to hit me up some motion. These robots do not need to be doing that, bro. At all. I kid you not. This bitch ain't cleaning like a week. Damn. With the cat hood. Damn. And we putting, you know, that fast life Nick on. Damn. It's not too many videos I haven't watched. No dick riding. Chill, bro. I'm not dick riding. You know, I just like this man content. Just look at this room, bro.
And today we come all the way to New Orleans to try some authentic Louisiana.
That'd be check. But like, real spill, Hellcat hood. My final thoughts, I like it. It modifies the appearance of the car times 100. I 10 out of 10 recommend either the Hellcat or the Scat Pack hood if you have a regular RT hood. Just on the sole fact that it makes the car look 1,000 times better. It makes the car look 1,000 times better. But on top of that, you also get the benefits of that functional hood vent that's in front of the car. Because it has been keeping my car cooler. Just having that air roll over the engine. You know, the two vents on the side. I recommend the Hellcat hood more. But like, 10 out of 10. Recommend if you got the money to do it, do it. Go try to find you a used OEM one. The one I had ran me about $400. But if you got the money to do it, do it. Put your mind to it. You should have the money to do it, though. You should have the money to do it, bro. It's 2025. Everybody that subscribes to my channel, we getting to a bag this year. We all getting bread this year, bro. So you should have that money to do it this year, bro. 10 out of 10. I would recommend get you a Hellcat hood, get you a Scat Pack hood. If you just got a basic RT hood, go ahead and get you a hood, bro. Definitely. But this is the end of the video. I'm gonna catch y'all next time and get back at y'all.